How to find events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find events on Facebook Lite. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find here uh, events. Click on it and now just and here you can find events uh, on Facebook Lite, and that's how to find events on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.